Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to automatically generate a file download URL and trigger the file download when a form is submitted. We'll demonstrate this using a sample course registration app. This is the course registration form used by students to register for courses. The Select Course field is a lookup from the Course Details form, allowing users to select their desired course. Each course has predefined study materials uploaded and stored in a separate form called Course Details. The Course Details form includes the course name, instructor, and a file upload field that holds the course material as a downloadable PDF. Now, let's say there's a requirement where upon submitting the course registration form, the relevant course material should be automatically downloaded to the user's system. To achieve this, we need to construct a download URL using the uploaded files path from the course details form and trigger this download as part of the form submission logic. But before we begin scripting, we need to make sure that the two forms are properly connected. In our case, this connection is already established through the Select Course lookup field in the course registration form. Let's now proceed to write the script. From the editor, access the workflow section and proceed to create a workflow. Choose the course registration form and set the workflow to run when the record is created. This workflow should be triggered on successful form submission. Give a name and proceed to create the workflow. Click on Add New Action and choose Deluge Script. The logic is to download a course material file immediately after a user submits the course registration form. To achieve this, we need to fetch the corresponding file from the course details form, construct its download URL using Zoho Creator's format, and open the URL in a new tab to trigger the file download. Let's proceed to define the script. Let's use the fetch record task. Type course info equals course details, where ID equals input.selectCourse. This line fetches the record ID from the course details form based on the selection made on the Select Course field in the course registration form. Next, let's construct the download URL. This line constructs the download URL using the values from the course info record. CourseInfo.id represents the unique ID of the selected course record, and CourseInfo.CourseMaterial gives the file path of the uploaded material. These values are dynamically inserted into the download URL to ensure the correct file is retrieved for the selected course. Next, let's open the generated URL so the file starts downloading as soon as the form is submitted. Type Open URL, New Window. This line opens the constructed download URL in a new tab. Since the URL points directly to the file, this action automatically triggers the file download for the user. With this, our logic is complete. Let's now test the configuration in the app to see it in action. Let's fill out the course registration form and select a course. As we see, when the form is submitted, the course material gets downloaded automatically. The requirement is successfully met. Similarly, you can use this method to generate a download URL and download any file form based on a selection made in your current form. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.